I had a lot of relationship with my late grandma, and I've been with her in the kitchen since I was little, so that inspires me to cook.
I got the inspiration from my mother, who loved to cook for me Malay dishes, and then I love to give food to other people.
I think I learned a lot outside from this kitchen. There's some skill that we don't have to study a lot. It's just like daily basis we're doing it, and we don't have to stress ourselves to learn deeply everything to make something work.
Pretty good for me. I learned many from Gurney Bay Hotel. They taught me many things that I didn't know before.
I would say during serving, the most challenging part would be me balancing the tray with the goblets on top, because the goblets doesn't have a very flat surface where it could stay on the tray. It might tip over. So I try to take a few at a time so that I won't tip over the tray.
The challenging part is when we cook in front of the customer, then the food it's not perfect to be served. So the way I overcome this problem is make sure I didn't mess up the food.